Our laundry recently went to this new Wash Connect app. It's an app that works with our washers and dryers. I'd just like to go over it with you real quick. We can enter the machine number that's placed on the machines, or we can scan a QR code. And since I'm not in the laundry right now, I'm actually at my place. I don't have a code to scan, but I will scan one in later. We're going to back up here. And I have a machine running right now. This wash machine 37. I've got 9 minutes left. This is pretty cool. I haven't figured out if I can set an alarm, but I do have a bell icon up in the right hand corner of the screen. I've got 9 minutes left, so I just thought I'd spend this time this way. Now, it also gives me a feature that I can check the availability of machines. So since I was in there last, people are coming behind me. We have 4 washers. 2 others are being used besides mine, and they got considerably more left in their time. Do have 1 dryer running. We have 4 dryers as well. This is really handy. We're gonna go over here to support. The machine's not working. Again, you can scan the code. App not working. You can go through and troubleshoot the app. And then contacts app support. And I'm not going to do that. But here's what I thought was really cool. Resources. It's down in the More tab. Go to Resources. And we have Best Practices. Checking pockets, just like it just steps through things. Don't over soap, using pods, fill 2/3 of the way, etc., etc. This is really cool. Go back again, back to Resources. Laundry Basics. How to add detergent, loading, temperature select and settings. Select temperature and or materials. Preload prep. Yeah, I just can't. There must be a better way to back out of this. Laundry symbols. That's another one that caught my eye here. These are the symbols you see on labels. You don't know what they mean. Here's what they mean. Bleach when needed. There we go. Here's the back button on the screen. So I stay within the resources. Wash cold, warm, and hot. Dry clean only. Do not dry clean. I mean, it has all the symbols. I mean, this is really cool. More symbols I've ever seen. I just don't have that many different types of clothes. So anyway, there's a quick overview. We have a fabric guide. That's something else I really liked about this. It gives you instructions on what type of how to wash the different types of fabric that your clothes are made of. Oops, I keep backing out of that. Fabric guide. Leather and suede, cotton, denim, cashmere, linen, nylon, rayon, silk, spandex. Let's see what it says for spandex. These are special care. I mean, as you can just read through this. Silk. How do you wash silk? Silk should be dry cleaned, but it even tells you to go online and find tutorials on how to hand wash silk. Anyway, stain removal. Pretty cool. Wine, vomit, urine. I mean, it covers everything. Poop, oil. Rub flour into the stain and leave for 20 minutes to draw up oils. This is pretty cool. That's why I just wanted to do this for you guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go and check out my machines where we're at. And I have 5 minutes left, so I got to go. I'll be there. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Now I said I would come back. I'm in the laundry room now and show you just how this app works. My clothes are now in the dryer. I said you can enter the machine number, which is here, or we're going to scan the QR code. So here's our machines. That's the machine number. We're going to go down here. Right there it says machine 39. It scanned it. Pay. I'm going to go set my cycle, start, and I just paid that $1.50. And there we go. I got 45 minutes. Oh, I'll get back to you on that. And there we go. That's my wash cycle's completed in machine 37. My dry cycle has got 45 minutes on it. I could even extend that. But I don't want to. I think 45 minutes should be enough. And there we go. Hi guys, I'm back. I just needed to do a follow-up video. While I was reviewing my video before I uploaded it, I caught something I knew you would catch because you watched my video. That when I said that I was using wash machine 37, and then it showed machines 19 through 22, and I said 3 people had come in behind me. Well, no. If you look at the features here, we'll go back to availability. We see this LR001, which stands for Laundry Room 1. These are machines 19 through 22, dryers 23 to 26. Well, I used machine 37, and I dried machine 39. Go up here, there's a drop-down menu. So what we were looking at is other machines that were available in the 4 laundry rooms that we have. There's my laundry room. I'm in laundry room 3. So what is really cool as I'm scrolling through this, there is no one doing washing or drying. And I know that because I took the time to walk to each laundry room to make sure there was nobody in there. So this is a pretty handy feature, because how many times we went to wash our clothes, there's no available machines. We had to lug our laundry like we're backpacking or something to another machine to find likewise. So anyway, this is really sweet because it has all of our laundry rooms on the network, and we can search out each one. Back to home, I just wanted to go into the add funds. When you click on add funds, you put your credit card in the app, and you're able to add money to it in $10 increments. So that's pretty handy. And I just wanted to update you on that, because that's something you need to be nice to know. So anyway, this is my first video. It's a new YouTube channel. I hope you liked it. Hope you watch it. Hope it helped you. Anyway, have a nice day, and we'll see you again. Bye.